Hey, Jessie here. We just got a plant therapy order. Let's open it up. So in this order, I didn't just get essential oils, I also got carrier oil and something very special. So first off, I have jojoba oil. The jojoba oil is a carrier oil. So when you're using essential oils on your skin, I generally always recommend diluting with the carrier oil. Jojoba is one of my favorites. I always have coconut and jojoba oil always on hand, but I don't like the feel of the coconut oil on my skin after using them. So jojoba oil I love. So you can see that I got this 16 ounce because I'm an aromatherapy student, but a 2 or 4 ounce is perfect for just a casual essential oil user. Also, it comes with a pump, so I can choose to use the pump rather than the disc cap. So it's just kind of however you feel best in using it. Oh, and the sticker is comfy and cozy, a really beautiful sticker, like a wintry cabin vibe. Next essential oil bottle. Okay, this is Roman chamomile. If you've ever purchased it from Plant Therapy, you'll know that you have different options in quantities. You can get a 5 ml, 10 ml, and so on. As you've probably seen with the other Plant Therapy essential oils, if you've ever shopped with them, sometimes they'll have like the 10 ml, 30 ml, 60 ml, 100 ml option. And generally the larger quantity you buy, the more bang for your buck you get. So technically you save money. But one thing to know is that essential oils do have shelf lives and they do oxidize. And with some essential oils, as they oxidize, they do become potential skin irritants and not so ideal to work with or to use. So I generally just buy the 10 milliliters, or on the rare occasion I do buy 30 mils, but they're more for essential oils that do not become skin sensitizers when oxidized, which I talked about in my other video. So Roman chamomile is a versatile, underrated powerhouse. It's very soothing to the joints and the muscles when applied topically, so diluting with carrier oil and applying to your place of concern. Also soothing to the nervous system, so you can use it aromatically or in a roller ball for emotional purposes, or even just diffusing it or smelling directly from the bottle can help with the emotional benefits. Really helpful for tight and tense muscles. If you feel like you just need to really relax the muscles, it would give you a lot of relief. Then using Roman chamomile is really helpful just to apply it on the spot where you need it. It can be used to induce calm or sleep. Again, diffusing, smelling from the bottle, aromatherapy inhaler, using a roller ball for that. And this is a go-to for many people in terms of emotions and sleep. Also, something to note is that this essential oil is kid safe, so you can find it on the label. So it really gives peace of mind for parents that don't know if the essential oil is safe or not for their child. And although I can say a lot more about this essential oil, I will skip to the next oil. Right, so the next one is vanilla botanical extract, something I've been really wanting to try. And somebody wanted me to compare this with Revive's oleoresin, which I can definitely do in another video. So I'm really excited about this, and it's not to be confused with doTERRA's, Young Living's, and Revive's vanilla, because their vanilla is actually oleoresin. This is not an oleoresin, so I just want to be clear in saying that they're two different things. And if you've used doTERRA, Revive's, or Young Living's vanilla, you may notice that it doesn't really emulsify or mix with carrier oil or the other essential oils. If you put it in a roller ball or mix with the other essential oils, you'll see that it just kind of like becomes a blob in the mixture, where this, you will not have issues with that. I've also heard on Plant Therapy's website that vanilla oleoresin could clog up your diffuser. For me personally, I have used their key lime pie, which actually has vanilla oleoresin in it, and I have not had a trouble with my diffuser, but I think it's important to know that that can happen. I'm excited to smell it. So it really reminds me of like what the vanilla extract smells like when you're baking. Cupcakes, vanilla cookies. Oh yeah, and the vanilla extract is actually kid safe as well. Oh yeah, and if at any time in this video I've inspired you to purchase any of these products or buy from Plant Therapy, I do have an affiliate link down below, so feel free to order from there. So feel free to use my link when you shop. It really helps me out and supports my channel. Next surprise at the end, which I'm really excited to try, is the vitamin C serum. So now that I'm in my 30s, I figure it may be a good time to be intentional about skincare. So this vitamin C facial serum is apparently good for uneven skin tone and with wind and sun damage, for skin repair as well. And to use, you would apply 4 to 5 drops to your clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area. Gently tap the product onto your face with your fingertips, and this will help promote deeper penetration. Allow to absorb completely before applying moisturizer. I saw one time in the comments people had asked if this is phototoxic. It is not phototoxic, just want to bring it out there. I'm also going to smell it just to see if there's anything I can smell in here. I thought I smelled like a whiff of grapefruit when I first opened it up, but not really. Oh, and I guess it looks like there's orange in here, so that might be what I smelled a whiff of, but it barely smells. So if you've used any of these products, let us know how you use it and what you think of them. The vitamin C serum, Roman chamomile, vanilla extract, and jojoba oil. If you like unboxings, there is a playlist up here, and if not, there is another video recommended to you by the algorithm. Anyways, hope to see you in another video, and bye!